Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a picture image to Microsoft Outlook and Teams. This is a great way to personalize your professional profile and make it easier for colleagues to recognize you in emails and meetings. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in your emails and interface. This ensures that all the features and settings are properly accessible before we make any changes to your profile. Once your email has loaded completely, we need to navigate to the File menu. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs like Home, Send or Receive, and others. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is your gateway to account settings and profile customization options. After clicking on File, a menu will open up showing various account information and settings. Now focus your attention on the right side panel. You'll notice it displays information under the Info tab. Here you'll directly see a picture placeholder, which is essentially where your current profile image sits, or where one would appear if you haven't set one yet. Simply click on the Change button right beneath or next to this placeholder. This action will trigger a browser window to appear, redirecting you to your Microsoft Accounts page. Once the browser window loads, you'll be taken to your Microsoft Accounts settings. From here, look for the circular image placeholder that represents your profile picture. Click directly on this circular image. You'll then see an option that says Upload. Click on Upload and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This is where you can browse through your computer's files and folders to find the picture you wish to use as your profile image. Navigate to the location where your desired image is saved, select it, and confirm your choice. Here's something important to note. You do not have to repeat this same process separately for Microsoft Teams. Your Microsoft account shares profile information across different Microsoft software, which means the picture you just uploaded will automatically appear in Teams as well. This integration makes managing your professional presence across Microsoft platforms incredibly convenient and time-saving. And that's it. You've successfully added a picture image to both Microsoft Outlook and Teams in one simple process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.